Hey guys, it's Tanya M and I'm back with another bomb wig review from Ashimary Hair. Was sent over their 28-inch deep wave wig. This is a 360 unit, so it has the Invisi straps. And yes, you can wear her in an updo and it's going to be undetectable. Everything's already done for you, so it's already pre-plucked. The lace is already cut and the knots are bleached. It even comes with tape installed near the temples so you can pull it off and stick it down. And you don't have to wear no lace glue, no lace adhesive spray, nothing. And the lace, look at this lace, guys. It's super thin. And all you got to do is tint the lace to your skin tone and you're good to go. This hair is super soft as well. All I had to do was part the hair and brush it out right in here. This is a 13x6, by the way. In the front, it is a 360, but it goes back 6 inches. And just brushing the hair out, it looks so nice. It's super soft as well. And I absolutely love the fluffy texture. It's perfect for the fall and winter weather if you want to stay warm and cozy on your head. Just because I know somebody gonna ask, yes, this is human hair. Of course it is. It is Ashimary hair. They got all the nice human hair wigs. I don't really do the crazy baby hairs anymore. I am grown, guys. Do you believe I am 40 years old now? I'm just doing some little swoop-de-doops on the side, little nice, delicate swoop, nothing crazy. But yeah, this is the hair all brushed out. It looks so nice. And I love the length. This is 28 inches. Again, this is 28 inches. She looks so nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you that you can put her in an updo. This is a 360 wig. So yes, you can wear her in an updo because there is lace in the back. But look at how silky and soft this hair is. I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair. Like, this is some really high quality human hair and you got to get your hands on this one, guys. This is a keeper. This is something that's going to last a long time. It's going to last you throughout the years if you take care of it well. The hair was really thick, but I managed to fit it into a ponytail / bun. Once you do that, I just go ahead and take the leftover strands or the strands that's sticking out and I twirl them around up under that bun and tuck it, and there you go, you have a space bun. Of course, this is glueless, so I did have to adjust a little bit, but I just want to show you that yes, you can wear this glueless. And this is a shout out for the girls who may be allergic to lace adhesive spray or lace glue. So yeah, definitely wear this glueless. I went ahead and made some makeshift baby hairs in the back, but all you're going to do is tuck the comb underneath the band in the back and then take each of the Invisi straps. There's one on each side. So you're going to find them, pull it. Don't pull it too tight, okay? Don't pull it too hard because I made that mistake one time and popped the band. So make sure you gently pull it and then push the tabs up so it can stay like that, okay? And you want to do that on each side and make sure you tuck. Make sure it's tucked because you don't want to be walking around outside and then people see like a little string hanging under your hair because they're going to think this is your real hair. You don't want to give it any hint away that it is not your real hair. But once you do that, you are good. I went ahead and just redid my baby hairs because they got a little messed up when I was trying to do the updo. But I absolutely love this wig. I can't believe you can't even tell this is a wig because this lace is super duper thin. I always love my Ashimary hair wigs. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok because I do a lot more wig reviews on there. If you don't have a TikTok, go ahead and create one because what are you missing out on? But here you go, the bag. You can't even tell. Like, this is so bomb. I absolutely love this 360 wig. Even if I just wanted to wear her down, like, the hair is super pretty. If you're interested in this, you know I have it linked in the description box to the website. So go ahead and click on that. And also, I'll have my social media accounts linked as well and my website. And thank you for watching.